I'm sure you have never eaten bananas this way. They are delicious. For this recipe, we are going to need 2 bananas. Peel them. Now slice them. Take a moment and write in the comments where you're watching us from so I can personally thank you for keep on following us. We will be super happy. After cutting the bananas, put them in a bowl. I have here 2 eggs. Crack them open and start to whisk. Pour the mix into the bananas. Now add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 pinch of salt, 160 ml of milk, and 60 ml of oil. Then transfer everything that's in the bowl into a blender. Blend until smooth. If you are still watching the video, you are loving the recipe. Then like the video and share it with your friends. This will be a great help. Transfer the mixture from the blender to a bowl. Then add 150 grams of flour to it. Using a whip, whisk continuously until smooth. Add 8 grams of baking powder. Whisk gently. Then add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Now whisk vigorously. Drizzle some oil in a pan and turn on low heat. Using a big spoon, pour some of our mixture onto the pan as it was a pancake. See how easy it is? When one side turns gold, flip the pancake and cook the other side. Repeat the process using the whole mixture. And it is ready. Perfect for breakfast. I'm sure your family is going to love it. Now, I will thank you in the comments for sharing the video. Hope you guys loved it and see you in the next one. Bye-bye!